Hey guys, welcome to TechBase. Today I'm going to show you a short tutorial on how to download high quality videos on Netflix. So let's get started. First, open the Netflix app on your device. Tap on the My Netflix option from the bottom of your screen. Now, tap on the hamburger icon from the top right corner of your screen. From the menu, tap on the app settings option. In the download section, you can see the video quality option. Tap on it. Now you can see two options, standard and higher. Simply tap on the higher option. And that's it. You can now download high quality videos on Netflix. Thank you for watching TechBase. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.